Hey everybody, how are you? I was talking last week about how March is full of special days. Well, I think today, March the 9th, is a very special day. It's not only my son's birthday, my oldest son's birthday, but a very special gal. I think we all know and have loved her at one time or another. Or we may have had deep seated jealousy because this girl has everything. So, who is it? Stay tuned and I will tell you. Hey, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. If this is the first time you're joining me, I'm Weezy, and I like to talk about everything in lifestyle. Whatever comes to mind for the home, that is what Weezy is about. You want to learn more? You can go to my website. But for now, I want to get to today's topic. Today, we are talking about an icon. She's as old as me. Yes, she might even be older. I don't know. But whom are we talking about? But none other than the long lasting Barbie. It is Barbie Day. Every year, March 9th is a Barbie Day. March the 9th. It has been recognized since 2018. So this is a relatively new special day, but always celebrated on March the 9th. So, how did Barbie start? Where did she come from? Well, she appeared the first time March 6, 1959. So she's over 60 years old. Broad still looks pretty good. So, in my research, the earliest reference to this special day called it Barbie Day. Only recently, a few websites have begun to call it National Day. We found no presidential proclamation or act of Congress making it a true national holiday, but just another one of those fun internet holidays that gives people something to talk about on social media. Like me, yes. So, what, how do we know Barbie? Barbies have been around for several decades. Well, we know that because she came to life in 1959. Barbie dolls have been around for several decades. They have a broad and successful history. Ruth Handler, the co founder of Mattel, realized that girls needed something more than baby dolls and paper dolls. As a result, she designed the Barbie doll. Mattel mass produced it, and it was an immediate hit with all the young girls. Barbie enjoyed the single scene for 2 years. In 1961, the Ken doll arrived on the scene. Needless to say, Ken swept Barbie off her feet, and to this day, he has yet to put a ring on her finger. I'm going to come back and I'm going to address this little issue. But moving on with the history. However, if Ken were to ask, is Barbie ready for that ultimate commitment? We don't know because, once again, I'm going to come back and I have some of my own ideas of what I think about this. But only time will tell. Over the years, Mattel has introduced an immense array of outfits, accessories, toys, and play sets to complement any and every girl's imagination. Over the years, Mattel has created many friends and family, pets, places, jobs for Barbie. Yes, now when you go in the stores, you see Barbie in an array of occupations. I've even seen beekeeper Barbie, Barbie veterinarian, Barbie doctor. So not only is Barbie just what we might have saw when we were young, a little pretty thing, now she's got brains too. Um, and they also have they've matured Barbie. A fluffier version is a nice way to say it of Barbie. Hold on a second, let me show. So we have some young Barbies and we have some slightly aged, fluffy, a little wider girth Barbies. Weren't we all like this at one time and become a little more like this? So What does Weezy think about Barbie and Ken? I have theories. I think they I think they did have a relationship and he was non-committal and Barbie got tired of that stuff. I could make this really spicy, but I won't. Um I have lots of ideas, but I think she got tired of him and she had some fun on the side. I think Barbie crossed over. She went and she spent some time with GI Joe and some of the other action hero dolls that were out there. They may have been Mattel, they may have been Marvel. Who knows? But what was the other toy maker? Hasbro. She may have crossed, branding lines. You never know. But, this girl, she had everything. Yes, I have another word for her, but for this video, I will call her girl. But anyway, she has a dream house. She has a townhouse. She has an RV. Barbie has everything. She probably has boats and trailers and bikes and motorcycles and all of this stuff. But Barbie, let's see, there was the Barbie convertible. But, Barbie has always had everything. But I do really think Ken is probably the love of her life. But I think she's gone out on the little bit of the wild side too. And she is just out there enjoying life. And the 59. So she's 62 years old. So, she's enjoying life and going out there and saving for her different causes. That you can go into the toy section and see all a array of different kinds of Barbies, nationalities of Barbies. Uh, you know, Barbie comes in all shapes and forms. She's not the perfect blonde all the time anymore. Like, here's the professional Barbie. Okay, this one's still in the package too, so it still has a price tag on it. But can you see her? See, Barbie still likes to have fun, even though she's older and a little more thicker through the center, just like us. And then, then there was Ken, the boy of her dreams. But, I think he's gotten a little older and probably looks more like this now. That's what I think. But anyways, you could have a lot of fun with this day. You could have a lot of fun maybe with a grandchild, niece, daughter. If you have little girls, have fun on this day doing a little Barbie party. Or, you know what? Just get together with your friends and you all dress up super glam, super fashionista, and go out and either have like a little tea party, or go out and have some drinks and call it in celebration of a Barbie day. So anyways, that's my little take on celebrating Barbie day. And I hope you get in the pink. Because I say pink because when I think of Barbie, I think of hot pink because her brand has hot pink. It's hot pink. So get out there and have some fun today celebrating Barbie.